Let's go. And I'm back with another one. But this time I'm on Nasdaq. Gold has been given some troubles, has been consolidating lately. So I just decided to open up my Nasdaq chart just to see what's going on. So as you can see here, I started off with the daily time frame, right? I started off with the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I just wanted to mark up key support zones and resistance zones, right? Then the first thing that I saw, it was this zone right over here. I saw this zone that had huge potential, and as you can see on that zone, it was previously the highest high that just recently got broken out of, right? So that makes it a key zone, or let me just say that zone just caught my interest, right? Then therefore I just went down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I then therefore wanted to look for more resistant support and resistance zones. Then I found this zone that was previously a resistance zone that recently turned into support, right? And as I zoomed in, I just saw this beautiful trend, right? Saw this beautiful trend. Oh, my bad, mistake. Saw this beautiful trend right here. Then I therefore just take out my trend line through that beautiful trend. And I'm sure from here I don't really have to explain much. I'm sure you can see it. Everyone can see what's going on here. And as you can see, then I just took out my rectangle tool. Just to highlight that zone. If you don't see it, I just took out my triangle tool this to highlight that zone, and voila, that's the zone for you. That's your zone, and I don't really need to explain much what's going on here. For those that have been on the charts and those that do pure price action, you can already see what's going on. So for those that don't know what's going on, I'm expecting the market to just drop down to this zone right here and give us a rejection and a push up, right? Then if it happens that the market doesn't reject on our zone exactly, I want to see it play around in this area between our two POIs right there and give us a push up to the upside. Then yeah, now let's get to the entry. Then as you can see now, the chart, after some time, it did eventually just come back down to our POI, right, and gave a slight tap into our POI there. If you can see, let me just zoom in for you guys. Let me zoom in, and as you can see, it just gave us a nice tap into our POI. This small little tap into our POI. So I therefore just went down to a lower time frame just to see what's going on, to see if we have an opportunity for an entry. So I went to the 15-minute time frame, or wait, 30, 15. Then I went down to the 15 just to see what we have, and on the 15 there I see that candle gave us a nice weak bottom wick right there. Then I see an indecisive candle right there, and then voila, I went down to the 5-minute. I was kind of in a rush here, so I went down to the 5-minute time frame. So therefore I saw an opportunity to enter. I'll go to my MetaTrader. Once I went to my MetaTrader, I therefore just try to see whether I can get an entry there and there. So yeah, so I zoomed in from here. I therefore saw an entry. Then yeah, voila, I started buying. I just put two positions, just using a proper risk management. Remember, little amounts of profits go a long way. Just the smallest amounts of profits go along. A lot of the smallest amounts of profits go a long way. Therefore, I entered my two positions on Nasdaq, the smallest of them all. As you see, it started going up. I just set my SL. I set my SL while I was still looking for my TP. So I set my SL on the thing, on the trade. Therefore it started going, and from here it's all about just set and forget. And as you can see here, I'm in the blues, just rolling in the blues so far. Therefore, I come back after some time, and voila, this is what we got. This is where the market is right now. I had a choice to close right now, but I saw that now the market has a potential of pushing a bit more up. So I therefore found a perfect TP, then just set my TP and waited to see what's going on, what's going to happen right there. And oh yeah, this is how the trade is looking on TradingView. This is how the trade is looking on TradingView. I just thought of coming on TradingView and just readjusting my TPs and SL over here. And yeah, this is how it's looking. Just gonna zoom in on lower time frames just to show you guys how it looks. And if you have watched from this far, I really thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to see how this trade ended up, how I ended up closing this trade. Will it be